Okay, I hope you found that practice beneficial. Make sure you show it to me before you move on. Okay, so we're back to evaluating algebraic expressions. I know it's confusing jumping back between the targets, but we laid some foundation for target 2. Now we're coming back to target 3 because we're going to push to a level 3 all the way on this one. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to evaluate the expression. You're going to be able to put a number in for x and then solve it using the order of operations. Okay, we had to build a lot of vocabulary before we could get here. So M330 is the page. One more vocabulary word so far. Evaluate an algebraic expression. So what does it mean? To evaluate an algebraic expression. Now, you might remember that we already learned what it meant to evaluate a numeric expression, and that was simply to solve the math using the order of operations. The only difference is we have this word algebraic, which means there's going to be a variable or a letter in there. Okay, so evaluate means to solve. You're just going to solve it. So you've got to think about those order of operations in. You have all the foundation skills you need. So we are going up to a level 3 right now. So let's see what we can do. The first thing that you need to look at is 3x minus 4. You need to understand what that means. That means 3 times something. We don't know what number it is right now. It's just going to be an x for now. We don't know for sure what it is. Then you subtract 4. Now, they are telling me they want me to use 10 instead of x. I'm going to rewrite this and fill in a 10 instead of the x. It's kind of like having a substitute teacher. Okay, if I'm sick and I stay home, someone's going to replace me. They're going to stand in my place. Okay, so instead of the x, I'm going to write 3 times, not x, but they told me to put a 10 in there, minus 4. Now I have to follow the order of operations. Parentheses, the exponents, like 2 to the third, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Okay, I don't see any parentheses. I don't even see any exponents, but I do see multiplication right here. So I'm going to take 3 times 10. That's 30. I'm going to bring everything else down so I don't miss any math. There's only one operation left. I can see that it's subtraction, and 30 take away 4 is going to be 26. So evaluating this algebraic expression when x equals 10 gives me the value of 26. Okay, I want you to take a look at that. Make sure you're writing it down. Maybe you write it down, maybe you watch it again just to kind of let that seep in. It's a lot of things to think about. So we are at our level 3. So all we have to do now is practice, practice, practice that level 3. I'm going to go to letter B. 11 take away S. Now, we don't really need to rewrite that except to substitute. Instead of an S, what do they want me to use? 2. And I bet you guys know what 11 minus 2 is. That's right, 9. Look how fast that one went. That's it. That's all you have to do. I'm going to do one more. C. 10 minus Z. Well, I don't know what Z is. Oh, wait. They told me right here. Z equals 8. Okay, well, that means 10 minus 8. They want me to use an 8 instead of a Z. And I know that 10 take away 8 is 2. Got the answer. Now, some of these get kind of hard with the math. So on D, I'm going to explain to you this right here is division. And honestly, that's a little bit tricky because you put a 2 in there and it doesn't work out too even. So I'm going to change this um, to an 8. Okay, so I'm going to help you set that one up. That means it's going to be 5 take away 8 divided by 4. Well, what is 8 divided by 4? If you follow your order of operations, you know you need to do this division first before you subtract. Division comes before subtraction. Well, what is 8 divided by 4? How many 4s go to 8? That would be 2. So now I can rewrite it as 5 minus 2 and understand that that's simply 3. Okay, I'm going to go through these and see if I want to change anything. That one should be fine, so I want you to try these on your own. This one will be fine. It's just a division problem. So you guys try these last two by yourself. Let me check it, and then I have a worksheet for more practice. Good luck.